Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kevin here from K Jorgensen TV, and in today's video we are going to Monache Meadows Trail. So hope you guys stick around and hope you guys enjoy this video.
Monache Meadows is a remote area of the Kern Plateau, a beautiful plain nestled between mountain ranges and pine trees. It's home to some of the last remaining native population of the golden trout in the world. As overlanding becomes more and more popular, so as Monache Meadows and other beautiful remote areas like this. Alright, let me introduce today's lineup. Today we have 6 capable 4x4 vehicles. I have my 2018 Jeep JK. I will be the trail leader for this adventure. Then we have Mr. Richard and his JT Rubicon. Next to Mr. Richard is Peter and his GX 470. We met Peter back in Berdu Canyon Trail. Yasek on his new Tacoma. His Montero is for sale, by the way, guys. Then we have Mr. Nipoj and his JT Rubicon. We met Mr. Nipoj back in Gold Mountain Trail. And last but not the least, we have my dad, our trail gunner for this adventure. This is Overland 4LO first adventure vlog. Remember guys, please be responsible when off-roading and leave no trace. The last place to gas up and gather supplies is at the Kennedy Meadows General Store. It's about 7 miles away from a trailhead entrance. Here is something you must know about the trail. This is not an easy trail for beginners. If you're brand new, I strongly recommend that you have someone with you before attempting to do this trail. Online, this trail is rated moderate for 4x4 rigs, but it can be hard or extreme for an all-wheel drive vehicles. I recommend that you have enough ground clearance and some dirt experience before coming out to Monache Meadows. Just remember, some rigs tend to do well on certain types of terrain, and you have to consider driver experience. As we're here at the trailhead, we're airing down. Oh, Richard, you're too fancy. Check out on Nipoj's 4-tire deflating and inflating system. We will have a DIY video coming up soon, so make sure to check it out. Alright, let's go! The trail starts as easy dirt road. As we go in further, it gets narrow and rocky. We came across some ruts here and there, but doable for capable vehicles. Going inside Monache Meadows is easier because everything is downhill and you have gravity on your side. But there is one section of the trail where it gets a little intimidating, especially if you're brand new to off-roading. So guys, over here is the section I was telling you guys about. You can take the easier line, which I'm doing right now, or you can take the harder line on the passenger side.
No problem for Peter.
We took this line slowly and one at a time. Alright, everyone got down safely. Guys, we just entered Inyo National Forest. And just look how beautiful this meadow is. We followed the signs that says river camping. It's a little crowded this weekend and we got here around noontime. But we managed to find a good spot for 6 rigs to fit in.
Hey guys, just remember, please leave no trace. The previous campers left this trash over here.
Now some of us here in our crew have rooftop tents, so we didn't need a big campsite. This area is perfect for family camping. It's right next to the river. Swimming and fishing are some of the activities you can enjoy in Monache Meadows.
Who cooked this? Me.
Bougie.
All night.
All night.
What happened?
Set up here.
Fried
do you-
rice.
Fried rice. Where's the fried rice?
There.
Oh, there.
I'm cooking the last batch.
Oh, okay.
And I cook this too.
No, you don't cook that. Mushrooms? Yeah. Okay. And we have bacon too. Okay. So Yasik, what you brought? What is this?
Kielbasa.
Kielbasa.
El kielbasa.
El kielbasa. From Poland.
Fresh deliver.
You have tequila?
Fresh deliver.
No, you have tequila.
Tequila. You don't drink.
After we set up camp and had delicious lunch, we, meaning me, Yasik, and Peter, head out to do some exploring. We venture out to all the nearby trails we could find in the area. The problem is, a lot of these places are either closed or owned by a private property. So we decided to head back to camp and save our gas for tomorrow's adventure.
Mr. Doc Wrangler!
Yeah, buddy, what's going on?
Finally stuck
Guys,
in
I
here.
have been a huge fan of this guy ever since I started off-roading. He's one of the person who welcomed me on social media, so please make sure to check him out.
Hey, good to see you, man.
As well, man. Good times.
Okay guys, for dinner we are having Korean barbecue. What we have here?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Hello guys. Okay.
Why?
They just like their fun. Well, they didn't think it was that fun. The lines were huge.
The trams they weren't letting the trams. We didn't walk
They
from the
still
parking
don't
lot
let the
to
trams.
the entrance.
The next day, after having our breakfast, we packed up and went to look for the river crossing. We actually missed it yesterday because we decided to secure our campsite first. And so, here it is.
The trail wasn't that long because there's pavement quite a ways in. And then it was pretty good. It was wide enough, even though we saw some trees damaged. I don't know, whether they had a bulldozer going through there or something. Beautiful scenery, nice meadows, not enough water, but that's a whole problem with the west. So, but it was very nice.
It was a great time. I had a blast.
It was a good time. We had a blast. It's a shame we didn't get to do the full loop, but good trail. All in all, I'd say it's like, you know, easy, medium, a couple tight spots, but beautiful views, and I'd recommend it to anybody.
Really fun, you know. We it was cool driving in a caravan and little
he's
ruddy.
the worst person to ask to do like some kind of
Cut that out. cut her out of that. Yeah.
The wife commentary.
Look forward to doing it again.
All right. And this concludes our overlanding adventure here in Monache Meadows. I'm so grateful to all the support you guys been giving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.